The modern small bedroom demands a rhythmic balance between sculptural form and spatial clarity. It is a canvas where every architectural detail serves a dual purpose of beauty and function, elevating intimacy through intentional design. In this curated exploration, we redefine constraints as creative opportunities. Through the interplay of reflective textures, monochromatic palettes, and bespoke verticality, these environments transcend their physical dimensions to embody a state of refined luxury tranquility. Number 1. Embrace the power of monochromatic minimalism. The monochromatic minimalist approach transforms a small bedroom into a serene sanctuary by eliminating visual noise through a singular, cohesive color story. By utilizing varying shades of slate gray or soft alabaster, the space achieves a seamless flow where walls and furniture blend into a unified architectural expression. This design relies on high-quality matte finishes and subtle tonal shifts to provide depth without clutter. Recessed warm LED strips along the perimeter accentuate the clean lines, while a low-profile platform bed maintains a grounded, spacious feel. The lack of contrasting hues allows the eye to travel uninterrupted, effectively blurring the room's boundaries and creating an expansive atmosphere of refined modern elegance and sophisticated architectural tranquility. Exquisite purity. Number 2. Utilize bespoke floor-to-ceiling verticality. Bespoke verticality redirects the gaze upward, utilizing the full height of a small bedroom to create a sense of grandeur and soaring volume. Custom floor-to-ceiling upholstered headboards in rich velvet or fluted oak panels serve as dramatic focal points that elongate the walls. This architectural strategy often incorporates high-level shelving or integrated cove lighting that washes the ceiling in a soft glow, emphasizing vertical planes. The furniture is carefully scaled with slender, tapered legs to maintain floor visibility, enhancing the lightness of the composition. Every element, from the long drop pendant lights to the sheer floor-length drapery, is curated to emphasize height over width, resulting in a balanced, tall, and exceptionally elegant spatial experience. Simply elevated. Number 3. Incorporate translucent glass and mirror surfaces. Translucent materials and mirrored surfaces are essential for manipulating light and perception within compact sleeping quarters. Incorporating smoke-tinted glass wardrobe doors or a polished chrome feature wall introduces a sense of infinite depth through strategic reflections. These reflective elements capture ambient light from oversized windows, bouncing it across the room to illuminate shadowed corners and expand the visual field. The interaction between glass, metal, and soft textiles creates a sophisticated material contrast that feels both airy and grounded. Carefully positioned oversized mirrors, framed in slim brass profiles, mimic the appearance of doorways, tricking the eye into perceiving additional rooms. This masterful use of transparency and reflection results in a luminous, multi-dimensional environment that feels impressively expansive. Infinite luxury. Number 4. Layer rich textures within compact proportions. A focus on curated textural softness brings a luxurious sensory dimension to the small bedroom without requiring excessive physical space. By layering high-end boucle fabrics, heavy knit throws, and brushed silk linens, the design creates a cocoon-like atmosphere that prioritizes tactile comfort. The interplay of rough-hewn stone accents against smooth plaster walls adds architectural intrigue and visual weight. Soft, rounded furniture silhouettes, such as a curved velvet armchair or a circular ottoman, soften the room's corners, promoting a fluid movement through the space. Dimmable wall-mounted sconces with warm amber bulbs highlight these varying textures, casting soft shadows that enhance the room's intimacy. This approach celebrates a rich material palette, proving that even the most compact rooms can exude opulence. Tactile mastery. Number 5. Install sculptural floating cantilevered furniture elements. Sculptural floating joinery is a hallmark of modern small bedroom design, offering a sleek and weightless aesthetic that maximizes visible floor area. Cantilevered bedside tables and wall-mounted vanities, crafted from dark walnut or polished marble, provide essential surfaces while maintaining an open, airy footprint. This furniture arrangement creates a sense of continuity, allowing the flooring material, be it chevroned oak or polished concrete, to extend to the very edges of the room. The clean, horizontal lines of these floating elements are often highlighted with under-cabinet LED lighting, creating a subtle, levitating effect. This design choice emphasizes geometric precision and structural innovation, resulting in a minimalist environment where every piece of furniture feels like an integrated part of the architecture. Seamless innovation. Number 6. Merge natural light with organic biophilic design. Integrating biophilic design with natural light synthesis transforms the small bedroom into a breathing, organic retreat. Large-scale windows or glass terrace doors are left unobstructed to invite the outdoors in, using the external landscape as a living wallpaper. Indoor greenery, such as a tall fiddle leaf fig or cascading pothos from a high ledge, introduces vibrant color and organic form to the structured interior. Natural materials like light birchwood, jute, and linen enhance the connection to the environment, creating a harmonious and restorative aesthetic. The strategic use of natural daylight highlights the grain of the wood and the softness of the textiles, fostering a bright, energized atmosphere that feels connected to the natural world. Natural serenity. Number 7. Master the drama of dark, moody palettes. Mastering a dark, moody palette allows a small bedroom to embrace its inherent intimacy, creating a sophisticated jewel box effect. Deep charcoal, navy, or forest green walls provide a dramatic backdrop that makes furniture and art pieces pop with cinematic intensity. High-gloss finishes on cabinetry or metallic accents in brushed gold offer necessary highlights that prevent the space from feeling enclosed. The use of spotlighting focuses on specific architectural details, such as a fluted wall panel or a piece of sculptural lighting, adding layers of shadow and light. This bold aesthetic choice creates a sense of mystery and depth, proving that dark colors can actually expand the soul of a room by celebrating its cozy, private nature. Cinematic depth. Exploring these dark palettes and textural depths completes our journey through sophisticated small-scale design. I hope these visions inspire your next transformation, so please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.